Our old friends Sweetie and Mickey are at a prank war again. Watch their new funny prank compilation in this new video.
Sweetie and Mickey care an awful lot about each other. He makes her coffee, and she makes fresh squeezed orange juice for him in return. Pour soy sauce into a cup with coffee. Add a spoonful of stewed carrot and zucchini into the juice. Mix it well. Change a spoon to a drinking straw. They taste their cocktails at the same time. Ugh! And the prize for mutual pranking goes to both prankers. Is your boyfriend totally absorbed in his computer? It's time to give him a bag of chips made with love. Open a chips bag carefully. Take out half of the chips. Put in cotton pads instead. Just look, they are going in so quickly as if they're having a housewarming party inside. Hot glue the bag. Leave a little hole to inflate the chips bag. As a result, the bag will look like a real one. Hot glue the hole. Shake the bag to mix the chips with the cotton pads. Your boyfriend opens his bag. He puts chips into his mouth without looking. Surprise! There's a cotton pad inside. You'd better keep an eye on what you're eating. Lots of chips make a bad diet. You might turn fat and ugly. Let's make a special chocolate bar for his tea. Unwrap a chocolate bar. Shape a bar in air-dry clay. Place the chocolate on top of it. Cut off the excess clay. Leave a message on the bar. Draw a funny smiley with the tongue out. A cute little taunter. Unwrap the foil. Change the real chocolate to the fake one. Wrap it in the foil. Put it into the box. Expecting another prank, Mickey smells his tea. There's nothing wrong with it. He's so naive. Take off the wrapping from your chocolate. There's white muck instead of good stuff. Clay versus chocolate, it's inedible. While your boyfriend's out of work, decorate his ordinary notebook. He'll be shocked. Cover the top with white gouache. Be careful not to let the paint leak inside and damage the computer. Don't worry if the logo stays clear. We'll use it in our painting. Draw a nice picture on a piece of paper to fit the top, or print it out from the internet. Draw a circle in the center to fit the logo. Cut it out. Put the picture on the dried top. Trace the details. Remove the paper. The picture's transferred on the top. Define the details. Color a funny unicorn using gouache. Outline and color the logo. Let it be the unicorn's speech. Use glitter liner to outline clouds and flowers. Besides, you can paint the unicorn's horn gold and add glitter to the speech bubble. Bring an open notebook to your boyfriend so he won't see the top. Let him find out later on. But why is he so angry? Both the unicorn and the flowers are so cute. It's even much better now. He'd better thank me. Well, let my girlfriend leave her notebook alone. I'll be ready to prank her back. Take a notebook and apply several coats of plastic wrap. Wind around tight. Sweetie takes her notebook. What's up? It's impossible to open it. It's packed like a secret weapon. Well, it'll take some time and effort to get it out. The notebook competition ends in a tie. Make lovely cakes to post on Instagram. Let everyone know what you eat, but your boyfriend has his own opinion about it. Let him taste the cake cooked especially for him. Put starch on top instead of powdered sugar. Mickey bites the cake. Starch is not as sweet as powdered sugar, but the pictures of his facial expressions will get more likes than those of the cakes. There's no need to put on filters. However, Mickey deletes the pictures. He doesn't want to become an Instagram hero. Tired of Instagram popularity, Sweetie's going to bed. Mickey takes her phone to swipe her phone.